Hey there everyone, welcome back to another episode of our adventure. In this video you can see the process of shading forehead and neck realistically. It is the part 6 of portrait tutorial series, and in my previous part I have already shown you how to draw realistic eye, nose, lips and hair. If you are interested you can check those out. Link of all those videos are given below in the description box. This video will be definitely beneficial for you if you are practicing art and in the beginning stage of the sketching. My request to all of you to keep patience and watch this video carefully. If you are an artist, you have to have patience for sure, otherwise you can't put effort onto a single piece and can't make it realistic. If we talk about shading, then you also need to take care of small differences in value, because if you're not able to control the value properly, then your picture will not look realistic. So that's why I'm redefining all those values continuously in each and every stages, as you can see in this picture. Sometimes I use paper stump for the blending, or sometimes using kneaded eraser, I just make the skin tone lighter. Like this way, back and forth I need to shift the value and control the skin texture. You might notice one more thing, that upper eyebrow part is a little bit lighter than the other part. It is because of the curvature there. So you need to do the same thing in your picture. In case of darker value in the shaded area, sometimes I apply charcoal powder, or sometimes using soft charcoal pencil I make it darker. I have redefined tear back too. It is actually the lower eye part. As you can see in the reference picture, it's a little bit darker than the other part. So need to follow the same. Maintaining proper contrast is equally important in case of realistic drawing. In the reference picture, our bottom right corner is much darker, as the light source is from top left here. That's why I'm trying to make this part more darker. Underneath of the chin we have the darkest shadow. That's why I make it further more darker. If you like this channel and want to get more from here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. You can share your artworks too with me. Just tag me on your picture. It's really take a great amount of time to make the skin tone accurate and to adjust all those values. But that would be satisfactory when we'll be getting the desired result, as you can see here. If you like this video or find it useful, then make a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon not to miss my upcoming videos. If you have any suggestion, then please share with me. Write down on the comment section. That would be really very helpful for me to improve this channel. Stay connected, we'll come back soon with another video. Thanks for watching.